Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome and thank you for clicking on my video. In today's video, I wanted to share with you guys some Valentine's Day decorations, so if you want to see these DIYs, then please keep watching. Alright, first up is this Love tabletop sign. I got that sign from Michael's. I know they have some at Dollar Tree. If you can find one at Dollar Tree, you can go with that as well. Then you're going to need some white paint and some red paint. So here I am. I'm just going to go ahead and open up my paint. I am using Waverly chalk paint in white. I'm going to paint everything except for the E. So you'll see here, I'm just going to go ahead and coat everything. Nice, thick, opaque coat. Make sure you get in those crevices so you don't leave any of that natural wood showing. Alright, next up we're going to take that red paint and paint just the E. So be very careful at the bottom with your paintbrush so you don't smear it on the white paint. If you do, that's okay, you can always go back. Just make sure it is completely dry before you paint over it because it will turn pink. Alright, all done. Now I'm going to let that dry. If you have to add a second coat, go ahead and do that. Next, we're going to take our vine garland that I got from Hobby Lobby and these mini roses, also from Hobby Lobby. So I'm going to take that garland and just wrap it around the O. I'm going to wrap it around quite a few times just to kind of make a wreath. Now I'm going to take the wiring from the packaging and just twist them together so it all stays put. As you can see here, I am using some of the extra vine to twist it together. I just don't want it moving around. Then you're just going to hot glue it to your O. I used plenty of glue and really pushed it in there to make sure it doesn't go anywhere. Next, you're going to take those roses. I decided to do 3. You're just going to hot glue those down in any fashion or any direction that you'd like. I kind of like it resting at the bottom here. And there we have it. Very simple, but very cute. Alright, next up we're going to be working on our heart garland. I got these heart ornaments from Dollar Tree. I'm just going to go ahead and paint them red. Now I'm going to take this twine that I got from Michael's. I'm going to be using the red and white one. Now here I'm showing you a little trick. You can put some hot glue on the end of your twine to keep it from unraveling and to make it easier when you're stringing on your beads. It's very easy to do, just don't burn your fingers. Next I'm taking these pearl beads I got from Joann's. And we're just simply going to string them onto the twine. Now you can make yours as long or as short as you like, but I like this length. Now I'm going to take my wood ornament and these heart felt stickers I got from Hobby Lobby. I couldn't decide what colors I wanted, but I finally decided on this one. Went ahead and peeled off the back, and it was pretty sticky. You can hot glue it if you'd like, but I didn't need to do that. Now we're going to attach the heart ornament to the bottom of the garland. You're just going to loop it through the hole, as you can see here, just a few times to make sure it's secure, and then tie a knot. Here's what we've got so far. Now I decided to put some ribbon on there. I went ahead and made a bow off screen. I'm just going to hot glue that onto the ornament. Now here I'm showing you how to make a tassel. It's pretty simple and self-explanatory. You just wrap it around your hand as many times as you'd like to make it nice and thick. Now I'm showing you here, I'm adding some ribbon. I decided on 2 ribbons. I'm just gonna measure it to the length of my hand and cut it. I'll do the same for the other ribbon. All right, to finish off the tassel, we're just gonna loop the twine around and around. You're gonna tie off the top here. Hopefully this makes sense. It's harder to explain than it is to just watch. You're gonna tie a knot. Once we've got the knot tied, we're gonna go back through and cut that loop, if that makes sense, just to make your tassel ends. As you can see here, we've got our tassel. Now I'm just gonna attach the tassel to the bead garland. Again, you're gonna loop it through a few times just to make sure it's secure, but make sure your beads have enough room to kind of wiggle around. You don't want it too tight because then it'll be rigid. As you can see, I'm making sure there's enough space, but not too much. And then just tying a knot when I'm done. And here's the final product. I really love this one. I think it's really pretty and really romantic. Alright guys, next up is our heart trees. I'm going to be using these foam trees I got from Michaels. I'm going to get some white yarn and some heart felt stickers. Now if you can't find the heart felt stickers at the Dollar Tree, you can get them at Hobby Lobby. My Dollar Tree didn't have them, so I had to buy them at Hobby Lobby. They were a little bit more, but that's okay. For the sake of the video, it was worth it. So basically what I'm just doing here is I added some hot glue, added the yarn just to start it, and now I'm just going to wrap it around. Just gonna wrap it around that tree. I decided halfway through I'm not gonna make it so neat. I just decided to loosely string it, as you can see here. And I really like how this one turned out. Came out really cute. Now you can move around the yarn once you wrap it on if you see any gaps, if you can see the styrofoam through. That's kind of what I was doing. Once you get to the top, you're just gonna add some hot glue and then wrap your yarn up around the top just to close it off. Kind of loop it around and push it in. But be careful, don't burn your finger. Like I was saying earlier here, I'm just spreading out the yarn, filling in any gaps, making sure the styrofoam isn't showing. Now I'm gonna take my heartfelt stickers and just attach them to the tree. Very simple, very easy. I added large ones, medium-sized ones, small ones. I added more of the larger stickers to the bigger tree just because I felt like the large stickers were very overwhelming on the little one, but it still came out cute nonetheless. So at the last minute I decided to add these rhinestone stickers from Hobby Lobby. Thought they were really cute and it added some more dimension to these trees. I'm really glad I decided to do it because I think without it, it would have been kind of dull, but these really made it pop. Now I'm just going to continue adding my stickers until we're done. Now here I am doing the larger tree. It's the exact same process, so I didn't want to bore you guys with the same wrapping of the yarn. But here we go, we're just adding our stickers. I really, really love these. These are probably my favorite. I do like the heart garland too, but these are really adorable. My daughter even asked me to make her some. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed these DIYs. I will be making 2 or 3 more videos of Valentine's Day decorations, so if you guys like this video, stay tuned. I will link the instructions for all of these down below if you want to give them a go yourself. You can find most of these supplies at Dollar Tree, but unfortunately my Dollar Tree didn't have most of it, so I had to splurge and spend a little bit more, but I think it was completely worth it. They came out adorable. So if you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye guys. Right here
I swear that I'll stay